Like servants waiting on their Lord's hand, my soul finds rest in this Belgian land. This gentle grace, a gift from up above. Here on the farm, my life is easy with God's love. Oh, this slow.
Hi lovelies, today we are going to be making blueberry cupcakes, and without further ado, let's get into our ingredients. I have my ingredients here which I'm going to introduce very quickly. I have blueberries, I have butter. This is the measurement of the butter we're going to be using at room temperature. I have milk that I'm going to be using. This is flour that I'm going to be using, and on this other side I have the rest of the ingredients which are here. I have this is freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 medium-sized eggs which are large enough. This is sugar. I mix my brown sugar with the crystallized white sugar. This is a baking powder, baking soda, that is salt, vanilla sugar, just to taste. So those are the simple ingredients, and the recipe is going to be linked down below in the description bar below. So without further ado, let's start making our cake. I'm super excited for this one. So first we have our mixing bowl over here. In our mixing bowl we are going to add our butter. All the proportions are going to be in the description bar if you want to try out this recipe. So that is our butter, and we are going to add in our sugar, which is 1 cup of sugar. That's my brown sugar together with my crystallized sugar. The proportion is crystallized sugar, I did 2 spoons, and the other brown sugar is more. So we are going to start mixing that with our whisk and then get to the next process. Make sure you're also scraping the sides as you continue mixing. Mixing this butter nicely is going to give you the most fluffy cake you'll ever have. This is what you're looking for. And now we get our eggs and we can start cracking them up. We'll start adding our eggs one at a time and start mixing. I will go ahead to mix with my whisk. Now we have our dry ingredients. We have flour. We will add our vanilla sugar. We'll add our baking powder. We'll add our salt. We'll add our baking powder. And we will mix everything together. We'll mix everything together. And then we will start adding it in batches to our butter and also add the liquids as well. So let's do that. Half of the flour in. We're going to sift everything, and we are going to add our freshly squeezed orange, and we are also going to start adding milk, half the batch, and we can start mixing. First you can fold it together because it's a little bit messy in this section, and then you can go in with the whisk. And go in with the whisk. I'll add the second batch of the flour. Sift it also. And add the next part of my milk. Fold it a little bit. To go lightly with the whisk. We are not aiming to overwork the dough, we just want to mix, and this is our perfect consistency. This is amazing. And now we are going to add our berries. You can clean them. I cleaned mine and dried them up, so I'm just going to toast them a little bit in flour and then add them in my mix. Let's do that. Our mix is ready, and these are our berries, so I just toast them with a little bit of flour. I'm gonna add just a little bit, and then the rest I'll aim to add them later, so that I can balance them a little bit more. So we are not mashing, we are just aiming to fold in, and voila, it's ready. We are just going to get our cupcakes mold and fill this up. For the remaining ones, we are going to organize them on top, so let's do that. They're almost baking, so I'm gonna add this. Baking. Here is a quick tip I learned from my sister, that after I did the tapping, I should have put more berries on top so that it bursts with flavor on top. Mine are on the side or in the middle, as I enjoyed these muffins, but they are delicious. They tasted so good, they smelled so good, and they baked perfectly. Let me know if you're gonna try out this recipe. But one more tip, put your blueberries once you are done tapping. As you can see, mine are on the side and some are in the middle, so you want them to be up so that they can also burst when your cupcakes bake. Okay, for the rest, they are delicious, and I hope you can also share more tips about how you bake these beautiful blueberry muffins in your kitchen. Until next time, bye bye.